Namaste, I am Aakrity Tamang from Darjeeling. I have completed my class 12 from Ramakrishna High Secondary School and I decided to pursue my diploma in culinary art at Aqube Institute of Management. Aqube has helped me to gain the skills I need from the culinary world. The practical exposure was amazing and my teacher Anmol sir also always encouraged me to push my limits, and I'm happy to share I have been placed at ITC Mementos as a F&B service. I am excited to grow in this field. Thank you Aqube for supporting me every step of my way. Thank you.
नमस्ते, म आकृति तामाङको आमा र आकृतिलाई चाहिँ एक्युबमा पढाएर चाहिँ धेरै नै राम्रो भएको छ, धेरै नै चेन्जेसहरू आएको छ र आकृतिले चाहिँ अहिले आइटिसीमा जब पाएको छ र धेरै नै म खुसी छु है। गर्व लाग्छ आफ्नो नानीले यसरी राम्रो काम गरेको देख्दाखेरि है। र सर म्यामलाई पनि म धेरै नै धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु।